Welcome to our English channel. I am Daya, and today I am asking the question that thousands of people search for on YouTube every day. Shakuntala, how can we stop translating in our heads?
That is a great question, Daya. Most students hear English, translate it to their own language, think of an answer, and translate it back to English.
Yes, it is like a long road. It makes us speak very slowly.
Exactly. To speak fast, you must think in English.
But how? My brain wants to use my mother tongue.
You must start small. Don't try to think about philosophy. Start with the things you see. Look at your hand and say, hand. Don't say the word in your language.
So, I should look around my room and name things?
Yes, this is called labeling. Viewer, try this right now. Look at your phone and say, phone. Look at the door and say, door.
Window, chair, table, water.
Good. Now, make it a mini sentence.
The window is open. The water is cold.
Perfect. When you do this, you are building a direct bridge from your eyes to English. No translation needed.
Shakuntala, another big search on YouTube is how to speak without hesitation. Why do we say and so much?
We say because we are looking for perfect grammar.
We want to be 100% correct.
That is the mistake. Speed is more important than perfection at the start. Use fillers instead of staying silent.
What are fillers?
Natural English sounds like, well, actually, or, let me see.
So instead of saying, I can say, well, let me see.
Yes, it makes you sound like a native speaker while your brain finds the next word.
Viewer also search for how to practice English alone. What is your best tip for this?
I call it the 1-minute story.
Tell us more.
Every night, stand in front of the mirror. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Talk about your day.
What if I get stuck?
Keep talking, even if you use simple words. I go to work. I eat rice. I am happy. The goal is to keep your mouth moving for the whole minute.
This builds the muscle memory in our mouth. Last question, Shakuntala. People search for best English listening practice. Should they listen to movies?
Movies are often too fast. Listen to comprehensible input.
That is a big word. What does it mean?
It means English that you mostly understand. If you understand 70%, it is perfect for your brain.
Like this video?
Exactly. We speak slowly and use easy words. By listening to us, your brain is learning the correct way to build sentences.
Thank you, Shakuntala. This was a very useful masterclass for one who is learning English and want to improve their spoken skills.
You are welcome, Daya. To our viewer, stop translating and start speaking.
So, friend, we are going to finish this video right now. We will meet in any other video with another topic. If you are interested to learn English, so you have chance to subscribe our YouTube channel, DayaShakuntalaVision, for daily English learning. So, bye bye, see you soon.